So this all started in 2014 when we are in 7th class, or when I was in a heaven known as Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Ratipur, Bhopal. So Kumar sir had came up with that idea of celebrating Christmas with something more interesting from that year. So he had planned to create a choir group with two different songs, which are Mary Boy Child and Song-e-Badal. This was the time when the ritual of singing these two songs started. And it is really a major missing that we cannot come there, or we cannot come there just because of this COVID. But then I came up with this idea of creating a video to share our wishes and to share the flashbacks and the precious memories of ourselves. So this was the time when we started. We used to prepare in before the remedial time and in the sport time for this song. And at the day on 23rd of December 2014, we presented this song from in front of the whole school, and everyone has a beautiful smile in their faces. And this was the time when, and by that year, every year we used to sing that song. Every year we got a little Chotu Si party too from Kumar sir, and this was a blessing to have you, to have this, to have the blessing of living there, to have the wonderful teachers in that whole world, to have the precious moments, to have the precious memories. For us, you teachers are the Santa Claus who have opened the doors for success, and for anything that we know now is just because of you teachers. Wish you a very, very, very happy Christmas, Merry Christmas, and it really means a lot for all of us to have you in our life. And whatever you have taught to us, it is in our mind and it is in our heart, and we will be Navodaian for forever. So presenting some of these lines from those songs from you, and also I want to share some of the wishes from our batch and from our choir group. Wishing you a Merry Christmas again. Just some lines from that song for you, sir. Was born on Christmas Day, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. Hark now, hear the angels sing, a king was born today, and man will live forever because of Christmas Day. Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day.
Merry Christmas to our teachers. Every year when Christmas comes around, the only thing that comes in our mind is our small choir group singing Mary's Boy Child, Jesus Christ. We really miss that time, and really thank you so much to all our teachers for everything they have done for us. Thank you.
Hello teachers, wish you a Merry Christmas, and I really hope that you and your family are doing well and you all are safe, and want to say thank you so much for doing so much for us, and we are really blessed to have you all as teachers. Your teachings are helping us to take right decisions in the every situations of facing any problems, and thank you so much for doing so much for us, and love you all. Take care, and I really hope you will enjoy this day. Thank you so much again, and wish you a Merry Christmas again.